Let's learn about Samuel Richardson, who is a famous Augustan age writer. His lifespan starts from 1689 and it lasted till 1761. He was an English writer and a printer basically, and he is best known for his epistolary novel. Major works written by Samuel Richardson are Pamela, Clarissa, and the history of Sir Charles Grandison. Pamela's other name is Virtue Rewarded, and it was published in 1740. Clarissa, other name of Clarissa is The History of a Young Lady, which was published in 1748. The History of Sir Charles Grandison, which was published in 1753. The History of Mrs. Beaumont, which was also written by Samuel Richardson, but it is an unfinished novel written by him. Six Letters Upon Dueling are his posthumous works, and the letter from an uncle to his nephew, which was published in 1804, and it was also published posthumous. It means that Six Letters Upon Dueling and Letter from an Uncle to His Nephew, both of them were published after his death. He had written them during his lifetime, but they were published by someone else after his death. So let's learn about major novels written by Samuel Richardson and the basic story of that, basic theme of that novels. Let's learn. First is Pamela. Pamela was published in 2 volumes and it is an epistolary novel. The other name of Pamela is Virtue Rewarded. It is a novel about a housemaid named Pamela. So the title Pamela, the girl's name is Pamela, who is a housemaid, and she is 15 years old maid servant, and his employer is Mr. B, who is very wealthy landowner. He wanted to he makes unwanted and inappropriate advances towards Pamela after the death of his mother. So basically Pamela was the maid servant of Mrs. B. Okay, Mrs. B, and she was having a son. After the death of Mrs. B, the property went to Mr. B, and Mr. B was very wrong type of person, and he wanted to seduce Pamela, but Pamela was determined to stay chaste. After a long time, Mr. B rewards the virtue of Pamela and marries her with full respect. And the other novel written by Samuel Richardson is Clarissa. So let's learn about the story of Clarissa also. Clarissa, or the History of a Young Lady, which was published in 1748. It was published in 4 parts. It is a tragedy. It tells the story of a virtuous, beautiful young woman whose name is Clarissa, and she is brought to tragedy by the wickedness of the world. She is 18 years old and she is universally loved and admired, considered an exemplary woman by everyone around her, but her own family member did not liked her. And so this is a story about that girl who had to meet the tragedy in the end. Next is the history of Sir Charles Grandison, which was published in 1753. It was published in 7 volumes. It tells the story of Harriet Byron. Harriet Byron is the heroine of this story, and she is pursued by Sir Hargrave Pollexfen. But after she rejects him, after Harriet rejects Hargrave, Hargrave kidnaps the girl, and she is freed when Sir Charles Grandison comes to her rescue. So Sir Charles Grandison is the hero of this novel. He rescues Harriet from Hargrave, and then it tells the story of Sir Charles Grandison and it has the history about his life and how nice he is and how calm and handsome gentleman he is. And in the end of the story, Harriet marries Sir Charles Grandison. So this is all about Samuel Richardson. I hope you like the video. Thank you.